My name is Mogens Falksmed, and what we do is what we call digital component construction. We are physically digitizing the conventional construction process. What inspired me to get into it is the challenge, of building interiors, and it started a long time ago. We're creating something completely different, a different approach. There's no compromise in aesthetic. It's competitive with conventional construction. It's much, much faster. And absolutely, when we look at the aesthetic, when you take a look at this type of environment, there's no way that conventional construction could do this at a cost, at a speed, or at a quality level that we can do it with what we call our digital component construction.
We're really looking for an opportunity to take an office building and really bring together what we see as the technology and the new ways of working that would support our staff and really look to the kinds of production and the kinds of process that we feel will be the future. And as a part of that research, we found a group called Falkbuilt, and I had the opportunity to meet the chairman and founder, Mogens, and we hit it off immediately. He is a visionary, but yet he brings together the details in a way that is seamless. And so as we started looking through the production opportunities that he had and how he approached the business, we felt we really had a good connection in terms of bringing the Falkbuilt technology and their panelization process and some of the patented opportunities that they had into our office in ways that would really benefit our team and also set us up for, to the extent there needed to be changes or anything in the future, this panelized program can actually be disassembled and reassembled in ways that really future-proof the building.
That entire team of Falkbuilt, they were just so great to work with. They were responsive. If we came across challenges, they understood them and fixed them and addressed them quickly. So them as a company and people to work with were fantastic. As far as the product, it is very innovative. It is a new way of thinking about things and being able to construct faster in a more cost-efficient way. And I've learned more about it each day, about how we navigate, whether it's hanging things on it. I really love and appreciate we can have entire walls that are magnetic that we use as part of the process. So I think there's, sky's the limit for how much more we can leverage and use this technology in office and other applications.
They obviously bring a ton to the table in terms of flexibility. Also, the timeline that they met was extremely challenging. So I really have to give them credit for creating this amazing, innovative product by bringing it in such a short time frame.
This particular system is interesting in that, when it gets built on the project site, we normally would build steel studs or wood studs, depending on the type of project, and drywall and paint and all of the various activities that create a lot of mess and a lot of dust and a lot of waste. And a lot is avoided with this system, so it really improves indoor air quality during construction and just overall general housekeeping during the project.
It's very innovative and the look is very modern, which makes the whole building look that much more impressive.
Our virtual experience goes beyond something that you fly through. You can make change real time. Now in that interactive virtual experience, we can tell them and make it look any darn way that they want.
Digital component construction really looks at the total picture and breaks each piece down into its individual component. Each individual component is then detailed, specified, and labeled so that as we're confident that within the electronic building process, every piece is accounted for. And we have the opportunity, once it's on site with the QR code, to be able to know exactly where that piece goes and exactly how to put it in place.
The industry is shifting from on-site build to manufacturing as a function of efficiency and cost, but also as a function really of the availability of labor. And so systems like these kind of contribute to that progression of our business.
We like to do things in a way that, that first of all, it respects what the culture of that business is and reflects what that culture is, but also in a way that it can be sustainable over time. We can change this thing ad infinitum over time, but minimal cost, minimal time.